Want to turn your house into a jaw-dropping projection show? It all starts with a perfect map. Here's how to do it, step by step. First, the equipment. All you need is a laptop connected to your projector with an HDMI cable and a mouse. To get started, download our free House Mapper software from the link in the video description below. Install it, open the app, and your entire screen will turn completely white. Now look at your house, not your laptop screen. Position your cursor on a corner of the house, click and hold and drag to draw a line. Repeat this process to outline the house. To map curves like this half-moon window, just draw a series of short, straight lines. Keep it simple. Stick to the major architectural features like the roofline, windows, and doors. You don't need to get too crazy and draw door handles or a garden hose. Once you're happy with the drawing, right-click, select Save As, and save the image to your desktop. Now for some critical tips to get the best show possible. Projector placement is everything. Most short-throw projectors don't have a zoom lens, so distance determines your image size. To get the brightest, sharpest show, get the projector as close as possible and fill the entire frame. Wasted blank space means wasted projector power. If your house is exceptionally large or made of a dark material like red brick, consider mapping just one prominent section instead of the whole thing. This will keep your images bright and sharp. Here's the golden rule of projection mapping. Your projector must be in the exact same spot for mapping as it is for the final show. Move it even an inch and your graphics won't line up. A folding table is fine for a one-night event, but for a permanent nightly show, you need stability and weather protection. We sell a complete projection package that includes a secure weatherproof box and all of the gear you need. Check it out on our website. If you're handy, we also offer a DIY tutorial to build your own. If you're setting up on a sidewalk, mark your projector's position with a little spray paint. If your ideal spot is on the grass, lay down concrete pavers to create a solid, stable platform. Most projectors are designed to throw an image up onto a wall, so don't be surprised if you have to prop up the back legs of your projector to aim the image down toward the ground. This will create a skewed trapezoid effect. To fix this, just adjust the Keystone setting in your projector's menu until the image is square. Our custom projector box actually includes a built-in tilted shelf, so you don't have to worry about this. One last technical note. Our videos are produced in a standard 16:9 widescreen aspect ratio. Before you start drawing, make sure your computer screen resolution is set to a 16:9 format, like 1920 by 1080, so everything lines up flawlessly. To wrap things up, email us your finished map drawing as an attachment. Please also include a standard daytime photo of your house for our reference. We need both the drawing and the photo to create your custom show. Download the software at the link below, and let's get mapping.